Not much rain around the valley today. A couple small showers here and there, and you still might see 1 or 2 little showers before sunset. But tomorrow, rain chances start to go up. Maybe not raining everywhere, but at least more places should get rain. About a 50% chance for rain tomorrow. Not as hot. We set record highs again in some areas today, just like yesterday, but tomorrow should be a little cooler because of the added clouds. There's a weak cold front rolling through, which could keep it, again, slightly cooler for the weekend, but not by much. And then next week, most of the models now kind of come into agreement that there could be some bigger rain chances ahead by early to middle part of next week. But right now, rain chances are small and just 1 or 2 little showers occasionally bubbling up, as we showed you earlier. One going through northern Hidalgo County, a couple east of Rio Grande City, but really nothing out there over the last few minutes. Now, the temperatures are hot, 96 in Edinburgh. Some of these temperatures have actually cooled a little bit. I think it was 94 last hour in Weslaco, down to 91 now. 93 in Rio Grande City, 89 in Brownsville, where it was in the low 90s earlier as well. Humidity's up there too, dew points in the low to mid 70s in some areas. Very muggy air mass, almost like that summertime humidity stuck in place again. So like last night, it won't be very cool tonight. Temperatures probably only down in about the mid 70s tomorrow morning. But if you're up right now and headed out the door, it still feels hot. These numbers are changing, as you see on there a little bit, but the heat index, how hot it feels, is still pretty close to 100 degrees in most of the valley. So that's the effects of the humidity with the temperature, or the apparent temperature, how hot it feels with those effects of the humidity not allowing you to cool off as much. But your evening planner should be dry nearly everywhere. Through about 7 p.m. there might be 1 sprinkle or little shower, but temperatures fall into the 80s by 7 p.m. By 11 p.m. maybe as cool as the upper 70s, but it's not going to cool much beyond that. I think lows around 74 or 75 in most areas very late tonight. We could see some lower clouds form after midnight. Rain chances start to go up some tomorrow. I mean, they are very low through tonight. There's midnight. There's tomorrow 7 a.m. By about midday, 11 a.m. or noon through the afternoon, pump rain chances up to about 50%. So still, if this forecast worked out perfectly, it would still mean half the valley wouldn't even see any rain. But compared to the 10 or 20% or less today, it's an increase tomorrow with showers or maybe a weak thunderstorm or two. So keep an eye on things. A lot more moisture in the air too. So if a shower does form, it could be a little bit heavier at times, not just these little sprinkles that last for 5 minutes. Now, satellite radar shows almost nothing around, a little sprinkle or shower in spots with some moisture still offshore. Now, when we look at future track tonight, doesn't show much either. There's midnight, mainly dry weather. Tries to show maybe a little shower towards sunrise, but tomorrow during the day, scattered showers around, maybe a weak thunderstorm or two, but you still see a lot of the time it's not raining, just kind of cloudy. Temperatures in the 80s to near 90 tomorrow. And then Friday, a weak cold front moves through, and it should be very weak. I mean, Friday's temperatures a little cooler than tomorrow, maybe kind of being stuck in the upper 80s or so for most areas, but still enough moisture. I think we'll see some clouds around Friday to help cool temperatures and maybe a couple of small showers. Kind of the same thing for Saturday too. You might see a little shower now and then, but most of the time it's going to be dry on Saturday with kind of partly to mostly cloudy skies around, but enough clouds to probably keep temperatures running mainly in the 80s again on Saturday afternoon. So rain chances around 50% tomorrow, then down to about 20 on Friday, 10 on Saturday, but they could try to start to ramp up after that, especially early next week. So tonight, another warm and humid night, only down to about 75 by morning. So most of the evening, if you're outdoors, is still going to be in the 80s and then eventually in the 70s closer to midnight. First 1-5-70 forecast. Again, a very weak cold front rolls in, and it's not much of a difference. You see those low temperatures may drop to about the upper 60s by the weekend. So a slight drop in the humidity and a small drop in temperatures, but highs still generally around 85 to 90 most of the weekend. Set your clocks back an hour, late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Looks like rain chances will start to go up, especially by either Monday or Tuesday. Most of the models hint at maybe about next Tuesday or Wednesday, things could start to get a little wetter on there with showers or maybe a thunderstorm. In fact, I think I should write maybe a shower or thunderstorm on Wednesday, not just a spotty shower, but rain chances probably going higher Tuesday and Wednesday again. So
really?
Yeah. So if you miss out on rain tomorrow, you have another chance next week.
Okay, looking forward to some of that rain. We need some of that.
Yeah,
and looking forward to that change of time.
Yeah, you get that extra hour of your weekend.
Yes.
What do you do with that extra hour?
I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I don't know. What if you don't turn the clock back?
What happens? You would be an hour off for everything when it comes time from work on Monday.
Exactly.
Everyone else would be there before you.
Or something. Time travel or something crazy like that. All right, thanks a lot.